Alright, the wizard granted us a side quest mission, so we're gonna be going down George today also. Alright, let's do this. So much wind, it's ridiculous, you guys. I can't even pick any speed momentum. This is like 50-mile-an-hour winds are resistant of it. It's actually coming straight up. You know, I could go like 3 miles. Alright, I'm still gonna keep this one just because it's like so funny how I'm like trying to get going here and the wind is actually just holding me back from actually picking up speed. But yeah, maybe I'll try it again here.